Hello viewers, welcome to Trend Me Africa. My name is Pakobna. Now on this episode I'm going to talk to you about a 5-year-old boy called Jeremiah Owura Ado, popularly known as Owura Baby. Everybody talks about this boy as the world's most brilliant boy, the most brilliant kid this universe has ever seen. Why? Because at his age, what he does with his brain will just blow your mind. His ability to read and write, to spell, to answer scientific questions, mathematical questions is just amazing. I will not keep you waiting. We will go and watch some of his exploits. When we come back, we will take it off. But please, if today happens to be your first time joining this feed, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button for all our subsequent videos. Stay tuned. When we come back, we continue.
11, 9, 120. Multiply.
11,880.
79, 9, 70. Multiply.
49,770.
Very good. 23, 23, 23. Add.
69.
Very good. 792, 9.9. 2. Divide. 792, 9.9. 2. Divide.
40.
Very good. 8,281 times 91. 8,281 times 91. 8,281 times 91.
758,571.
612, 68. 2. Divide. 612, 68. 2. Divide.
4.5.
Very good. Very good. A Need for Speed car traveled 450 miles for 5 hours. Calculate the average speed in miles per hour. A Need for Speed car traveled 450 miles for 5 hours. Calculate the average speed in miles per hour.
90 miles per hour.
Very good. What is the product of 3 square and 8?
72.
10, 4, 5, 1 square. Add. 10, 4, 5, 1 square. Add.
20.
Very good.
I told you. I know you are surprised. Yes, that's how it is. This boy is just a blessing. People are asking so many questions. Is he from Ghana? Is he a Nigerian? Is he from Togo? Is he from South Africa? Yes, Owura is a Ghanaian. But he's not just for Ghanaians. He's for Africa and the world at large. At this point, it is the moment that we have to support this boy. Help build the talent in him. The God-given talent in him, we should encourage him. So we entreat government officials to invest in Owura, because he's just a blessing for all of us. I am a proud African saying this. I know you are also proud. Yes, that is what we have. Owura Baby for you. So amazing, so intelligent. His level of intelligence is just amazing. You watched it and you can testify yourself. Now, once again, please, if today happens to be the first time you are watching us, we have a lot more coming your way. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button for all further videos. Thank you. God bless you.